Hello friends, today we are going to learn what, where, how and when. Points to remember. The places where rice was first grown was the north of Vindhyas. The places where rice was grown are to the north of Vindhyas. The areas to the south of Ganga was known as Magadha, now lying in the state of Bihar and separated from the rest of Asia by seas, hills and mountains. Rig Veda is the earliest composition in Sanskrit. Rig Veda, also known as the knowledge of verses in Sanskrit, is the oldest sacred books of Hinduism, composed in an ancient form of Sanskrit in 1500 BC. Along the Narmada River, people lived for several hundred thousands years. In India, the earliest people lived along the banks of the river Narmada for several hundred thousand years. They were skilled gatherers and used to gather food. They were very hard, vast knowledge of the plants growing around them. People who gathered food are known as gatherers. A member of group of people who does not live in one place but move around are called gatherers. Prakrit was a language used by ordinary people. Full form of BBC is Before Common Era. Full form of AD is Anno Domini. Agriculture began 8,000 years ago. Suleiman and Kirthar Hills. Men and women first began to grow crops such as wheat and barley about 8,000 years ago, located here. People also began rearing animals like sheep and cattle and lived in villages. Why did people move from one place to another? People traveled from one place to another. Men and women moved in search of livelihood as also to escape from natural disasters like floods or droughts. Sometimes men marched in armies conquering their lands. Merchants traveled in caravans or ships carrying valuable goods from the place to place. And religious teachers walked from village to village, town to town, stopping to offer instructions and advice on the way. Finally, some people perhaps traveled driven by a spirit of adventure, wanting to discover new and exciting places. Two animals that people of Suleiman and Kirthar Hills reared were goat and sheep. Who were historians? A historian is a person who studies about past and writes about past. What do you understand by tributaries? Tributaries are smaller rivers that flow into a larger river. What do you mean by manuscripts? Manuscript means any book or document written by hand. What are inscriptions? These are writings on relatively hard surfaces such as stone or metal. Name the ruler whose inscriptions has been found from Kandhar. Ashokan inscriptions has been found from Kandhar. This is Ashokan emblem, also the emblem of India. This is the Ashokan emperor. Where is Garo Hills located? Garo Hills are located to the northeast of the Vindhyas in central India. Where are the Suleiman and Kirthar Hills located? The Suleiman and Kirthar Hills are located in the modern day Pakistan. About 4700 years ago, some of the earliest cities grew around the banks of Indus and its tributaries. This is Harappan civilization, and the right photo is of modern Harappan. Like, share, comment, and subscribe my channel. Thank you.